HD video recording and 120 degrees wide-angle lens. And it supports 1080p HD video and photography, is compatible with up to 256 GB of expandable storage, and features a 360-degree rotating body, allowing you to capture your travel moments anytime, anywhere. C8 Max Helmet Bluetooth headset features IPX5 water and dust resistance, allowing you to withstand all weather conditions. All information looks fine, but let me use it in the travel time how good the product is. We'll try to upload post-use feedback ASAP and its pros and cons. Thank you for watching.